Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to make a copy of an existing file using the cp command, short for copy. We will start off by creating an empty file using the touch command and listing the contents to validate the creation of f1.txt. Now to create a copy of f1.txt, all you do is say cp, short for copy, source f1.txt and destination f2.txt, and a copy of f1 should get created. Let us verify by pressing the up arrow key to get the long listing command again. And you can see that f2 has been created. Now cat the f1.txt and f2.txt to verify whether both are actually empty. Thank you. If you like this video, please click below to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Thank you.